In this video, let us understand how to make online banking and how to prepare the synopsis for the same. First, we need to understand the concept, what are the things we can add in online banking. Once we know that, based on that, we can prepare the synopsis for that. You can also able to download the synopsis in PDF format or Word format. For more details, please check the description. First, let us understand the concept. So, what is this online banking? How do we do this? So, new online banking is not a new, it's very long time you are doing this. And if you are a fresher and you don't want to take a risk to do a different tough project, we can always choose a banking project because here you can understand the concept very easily. Once you know the concept, based on that, you can able to implement this project. Fine. So anyhow, the choice is yours, like what kind of project you want to do. But anyway, if you wish to do the banking project, let me explain you what are the things we can add in the banking project. Fine. So in case of banking, all we know, like, so we go to bank, deposit the money and withdraw the money. That's how we do regularly. But we want to make it online. So when you make it online, so I don't need to go to bank. So I can sit in my home. So if I'm a customer to this particular bank, so I'm a customer to this bank, let's say ABC Bank. Now I don't need to go to the bank branch. Okay, if this is the branch one, right? So I don't need to go to branch one to do the transactions. What I can do is I can sit at home. I can do deposit to my account. I can transfer money from my account. I can pay the bill. These options are provided, so therefore I don't need to go to all the way to the bank to do the transactions. And also advantage of the bank is the bank can reach more customers because here there is no manual communications. So therefore bank can reach the more customers. So both the way there are a lot of advantages. Even bank will have a lot of advantages. Even customer will have a lot of advantages. Now as a project, what are the things we can do? So what are the things we can do in the project? So what are the modules you have to make? So probably you need to make major two module. One is admin module, other one is a customer module or the user module. Fine. So this is another one is a customer module. Now admin can log in here. They go to main page. So here they need to type what are the account types. So you have to tell the details of the account type. What type of accounts are available for the customer. Now what customer can do is they can sign up. After that they can log in. So then they can view the type, account type. From that, they can select the type they want. After that, they'll apply for the particular type. Right? Once you apply, on the other side, you can see that here is the customer list. Overall signed up, that list will come. Then applied list. Now admin can, the bank people can decide whether to approve it or not. So once they're approved, so therefore they need to approve the account. They'll check all the documents or all the details, and if necessary they'll communicate with him. So therefore they'll approve the account. Once they're approved, then you can check the status. Okay, your account status. So in the status if it is approved, then you can able to view that one. After that, you can do all these activities: deposit, transfer, and the pay bill. And correspondingly, there is a view option to view all these things. And the admin also we provide the same options. So to see that overall deposit the money, overall transfer the money, overall pay the bill, all the reports has to be there in the admin also. If you make this much of project in the entry level for your academic purpose, it's really good. So you can choose the different technologies for online. So one is ASP.NET. With this you can use C Sharp or VB, or you can use Java JSP, particularly JSP, or you can use PHP, or you can use Python. So these are the different languages which are available to make a web application. Therefore you need to plan according to your requirement and you have to do the project. To download this project, please visit this website iblix.com/pages. There you can see a lot of options are available for you. Different project synopses are available. You can download which are the one you want. So You understand the banking concept now, so instead of physically we go there to do the transactions, we can always do the online transactions. Therefore it save the time for the bank as well as with the customers. So therefore it's a good project. It have a lot of advantages and a lot of scope. In future, if you're looking at job in the banking sector, this is definitely a good project for you. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also, right click on iBlix tutorials and open in a new window. Then you go to videos there. I'll show you. So if you right click and you open in a new tab, so you can see the iBlix tutorials. The subscribe button here also, please subscribe. And you can browse once, so because you will get a lot of project related videos here. So check out which other project you are interested in. So what kind of projects you would like to do. So watch that. So you'll gain a lot of knowledge about how to make the projects. That will give a maximum advantage for you. So therefore, please subscribe and watch the videos when you have free time. So here I'll show you the synopsis. So here is the synopsis: banking administration. So it's our introductions about the bank, about the project. Then how the saving bank current account all works will be explained here, and the project explanation and scope of the banking administration. What is the scope? And then why we need to do this project? What is the purpose, scope, objectives, and then hardware requirement and the software requirement. Software anyhow you can change as per your requirement. Anyhow we have more pages here. So if you want only few pages, you can delete the rest of them and you can retain the number of pages you required. So you can download the same from our website. Keep watching, keep learn. Thank you very much.